Hello everyone, we are Team Aztecs presenting GreenNet application to the world. Our team is consistent with Chatri Jivanti, Anupam Aliyanige and the Pastu Gaisha. We choose Sustainable Development Goals number 15, Life on Land, our consideration because we thought SDG 15 is the most important SDG at the moment because SDG 15 is directly addressing the environmental problems such as deforestation, desertification, biodiversity losses, these kind of environmental activities. Because we are in very risky positions because most of the humans are not aware of this and most of the anti-environmental activities rise up. So in the future, the world will face very difficult situation. So we thought SDG 15 is the most important SDG we have to follow now. So through the SDG 15, we introduce this deforestation, biodiversity loss, desertification, land degradation as the main problem. The very recent example is the death of the Black Panther. So it is directly addressing the biodiversity loss. So we as the team, as Aztecs, introduce this GreenNet application as a solution of this SDG 15. Through this application, we achieve the targets of the SDG 15 using the tools that is EcoWind and the EcoEarth. EcoEarth is a communication platform. EcoWind is the buying and selling platform. So through this application, we addressing this SDG directly and indirectly by these methods, sharing the knowledge, motivation people to the buying eco-friendly products, arranging pressure groups to the anti-eco activities, online eco-friendly marketing, a lot of these activities happening in this application. So if we go on to the business model of the application, business model, we have two parties, that is customers and the stakeholders. Customers will get a lot of benefits. That's the main reason they are with us, because they will get discounts, they will get a lot of promotion offers, and this is the best experience because they can easily shift to the buying and selling a platform to the social media platform. And if they becoming as a social influencer, they can get the additional income. So if you move on to the businesses, the green products manufacturers target market is in this platform. So by advertising their products in this platform, they can easily reach their target markets. Then also they can get to know about the new trends and the changes in the green community, and they can get the contacts of the social influencers like us. So many benefits can get the businesses. So the customer relationship, we maintain the customer relationship by putting the comment section, rating system, and 24 hours customer service and the feedback system. The revenue generate through four channels, that is subscription, advertisement, annual business charge, and selling non-sensitive customer information. In the subscription, EcoWin, they have a free version and the paid version. If you go to the paid version, you have to pay the monthly subscription. In the monthly subscription, 25% of the subscription goes as a donation, 75% of the subscription retained with us as a revenue. So in the marketing plan, we introduce our products to the youth clubs and the societies. Then we pitch this product to the companies in the Sri Lanka, and we give the discounts to the initial fellow customers, the users, by using the income generated from the advertising. Then we make the social awareness by using the donations we are collecting from the subscription. In the cost structures, we expected to 120,000 as the cost in the initial year. The cost is rising, but meanwhile, our revenue also will increase because our customer base is increasing. In the timeline, in the 2020 June, we designed that, then we launched that in the August. In the 2020 September, we start the enrollment for the business and the customers. In the next year September, we pass our first year. We gather the feedbacks of the first year, do the alternatives to the application based on the feedbacks we got from the last year, and we introduce this app to the multinational banks in 2021 November. So as the conclusion, we introduce this GreenNet application to the both customers and the businesses, so they can come to this platform together and make the world success. This is the demo video of the GreenNet application by Team Aztecs. This is the appearance once you download this application. You have to click the sign up, then click the sign up and add your details in here and click the sign up, and you have to add your emails and the password. If you forget your password, you have to click the forget password icon. Then you have to add these icons and we will send you the verification code. You have to add that code to this and click done. Then once you click done, you will have to add your emails and the password and then click sign in. Then sign in. Then we are going to the green world through the GreenNet application. We have two platform, EcoEarth and EcoWind. Once we are going to EcoEarth, you have to click this EcoEarth platform. We will go to the EcoEarth platform. in the Eco Earth platform display like this. You can add your thoughts and you can add your photos, lives and check-ins. If you wish to add anything to this, you can add this and click this post. You can watch your other stories and you can add your stories. And once you scroll down, you can see your followers posters. By click this option button, you can get the option like this. Now we close it and go down. You can see all the posters your followers put. The star icon is the like button of our platform, and the comment section, you can see the 84 comments, and if you wish to add comments, you can write a comments in here. By clicking this search icon, you will see the posters, but we will use AI for that, preferred posters to display to you. And you can even filter this by clicking this thing and green broadcast. For example, if you click green broadcast, you will get on all the eco-friendly videos and blogs. By clicking this use icon, you will go to the user pages. You will see all the already posted posters here. You can edit your profile. If you wish to create pages, you have to click this pages icon, and in the create new pages, you have to add this and save page. Click this save page, and from this you can like pages. You can get the like pages, and you can even invite the others back. And go to the notification bell icon. This is a notification, but if you click the chat icon, you will go to the chat room. In the chat room, this appears like this. You can call, video call. You can attach something and text with that. Now you go back. And by clicking this leaf icon, you will go to the home screen. And if you wish to go to the eco event, you have to click this eco event. That leaf icon is the easy way to shift with the platforms. In here, you will see the space for the advertisements. That the space we reserved for the advertisements. We will categorize our products from popular to recommended. In recommended, if you go to the view all, you will get the recommended product for you. We will recommend your products by using AI. If you go back, we will go to now in the beeswax, we will see the related images to that product. These are the related images, and you will see the colors and the price, if it is in stock or out stock, and the product details. If you go down, you will see the comments and the customer reviews, and you can see the seller details. You can see the others comments and the related products to these products, and this information you will see in the, if you go up, you can buy now. If you buy only this product, and if you buy multiple products, you can add this to cart. In the add this to cart, you have to click this, and in here you can see in the cart icon with the number 1, you can check the proceed, and this is the delivery details. You can see the payments, if it is cash or credit, and the summary of the payment. And by clicking this place order, you can do the payments back. And in here, delete and save for later. In the save for later means that you can do the payments later, and delete buttons, you can remove this item from your cart. Back and back, and in the use icon, that is the cart icon. You can see the search icon. You can search your products from this and add voice to this, and you can recent searches. You can see the products by categories, and go to the, if you go to the user page, these options are available. And if you go to the my payments, and it has your payment history and the payments method and all. If you go down in here, you have the upper grade version. In here we have the free version and the upper grade version. In the upper grade version, you have to pay something. That the payment method, you can do that upper grade version. By clicking this leaf icon, you will go to the home screen. That's by clicking this tab, you can do the settings part. For instance, if you click the notification, you can do the notification settings, and you can invite your friends to this application. And if you are done, if you're happy, you can log out from this application by clicking this. Thank you for watching.